Okay. First of all, with talking and without giving any topic and me to take my own topics was itself was a difficulty for me. I have so many things to talk, and if the people are free enough, I can talk with them with lot of topic of my own. I am not at all interested with people who wants to talk, ask something to me and talk. So I am good enough at sharing my views and asking people to give feedbacks on that and make the empowerment of that excellency. Okay, so let me talk about my own career, and because the last speech was ended with a manager. So let me say it's manager, and again there was a word called dictator. So I feel it. I'm just 27 now. Just 27, and I've done my MBA, and I've been worked for 3 years team organization, Aviva Life Insurance Company, ICICI Lombard, and the last company was Micronet. It's a real estate company, banking industry, and
1 second, stop. Stop it for 1 second. You're doing this. It's body language class. Speak the language.
So after working for this 3 years team company, I still wanted to be, I think, very, very small place.
Go ahead. You can move, but don't go in a circle. That's what my point is. You can move.
Okay.
Go ahead.
So after working for 3 esteemed companies, I still wanted to be an entrepreneur. And the 3 esteemed company was, I was been there for hardly around 3.5, 4 years of duration. What was that, making me being an entrepreneur or being our own manager was the attitude of my own. And the second one was, I was not able to take the things of my manager. As he was telling that a dictator or not really, taking his own credit, or your effort has been taken by somebody else. So that was a thing which was making me that, yes, I'm thinking, why the hell this people give me 40,000 rupees? And why do he pays me 50,000 rupees? And after the down the lane, if I see after the down the lane of 5 to 6 years, I see that there will be more number of Puneet Kumar coming and joining the same company. And I say at that point of time, does this company really pays me same salary, or they'll increase me double of that? Because there would be a multiple of Puneet Kumar which already been generated from the colleges and management schools to the same company, would be around thousands of people. The company would be looking with a cut-off cost. So that was my view, and that was a word which I was giving to my own colleagues. Do I see my secure? It's not a company I'm talking here. I know what I am, and I'm there here to learn it. And I'm very much confident about myself. And one of my friends said, this word was what was the topic you said? Excitement. Right. So an excitement, that was a point where a couple of my colleagues said, okay, fine, you're so excited, so confident, do it about yourself. And you believe or not, one of my manager took me into a cabin, and he said, I don't like your attitude. What is that? And that was the time when I said, what do you mean by attitude? The attitude is where I am. This is what I am, that is what is attitude. Attitude is not the thing which you have given a checklist saying that you have to brush like this, you have to walk like this, or that is not, that is your requirement. You have given a uniform that I have to wear. So attitude part is the way I am. That's why I say it still was burning in my inside, I have to start on my own. I had no idea what to do and what to start. Because I had three different companies, real estate, insurance, and the banking. I had no idea where do I start. Okay, so in that cabin, when I say this is the attitude is the way I am. Because I am not at all unorganized. I'm nowhere dropping anybody or putting anybody there. Doing the way I am. I say you can look forward with your own and you start with your company. So that was a point when he gave me a permission kind of stuff, saying that go start. Let my manager said me that I used to do all the old company when I was working. I used to do whatever my manager used to say, and I had to think about taking my own company decision. My manager said that you start your company. So I just came out, took a beautiful name called Bluebird Groups, and I have a punchline saying that height of success. And now after 7 years, all my experience has come up as a book called Passion of Success. So Passion of Success does not talk about any kind of tricks, logics, nothing. So only talks about you have to push it yourself, and where have you